everyone. I am Bill, founder and CEO of Softprobe. Let me ask you a question. How many of you like to debug your production? Yeah, how many times that your product managers ask you questions like, help me find answers to like an average price of customer make a purchase? Before founding Softprobe, I was the CTO of Trip.com, and it's a massive travel company. I find like 2/3 of my engineering effort spending on operations instead of writing real feature. That's why we built this Softprobe, and Softprobe is basically a very simple tool that we read in Istio, so that we extend the Istio to capture all those messages, dump that into object storage, which is really, really cheap. And based on that, we built a lot of applications. For example, I can do a very quick demo here, and let's say I do a quick search from these two airports. So I can find this session immediately from this that has like a full end-to-end replayable with all those details. Why are we capturing those details? Because oftentimes we find that we need to actually look into those nodes to understand what exactly happening, why are customers seeing that they are seeing different price than we expected. Also, these JSON files was written in S3 buckets so that we can build agents to automate all those crazy product manager questions. What's average price from San Francisco to Los Angeles? That's an answer that's good. Also, these same data sets can be used to answer customer queries instead of ask me as a developer to write printf to everywhere. And we also built some MCP server to read these plugins, and instead of asking me to troubleshoot that, and Cursor is going to do that.
Great, thank you, Bill. You can talk to him after if you want to hear what the rest of his thing was.